Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did finally go ahead and do a green look using the Morphe Desert Bouquet palette. It's the 35D. So yeah, I really like this palette. I've had fun with it. I've done 3 videos on it now and I really like the way each one turned out. It is the 4th of July, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in the video. My husband is sitting on the couch right now trying to keep my daughter quiet, so if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. guys, so that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here so I can go and enjoy the rest of the day, do some family activities, probably just sit at home and light off some fireworks. I really do like this makeup. I love the way that this look turned out. I really enjoy using this palette, so if you haven't tried it out, definitely give it a shot. At Ulta, if you don't like something or something doesn't work for you, you do have 60 days to take it back, so definitely jump on that, because there's a lot of makeup that I have bought over the years that I didn't realize you can return. So yeah, wasted a lot of money. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.